Hey, good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the channel. I didn't want to let the week go um, before I did this weekly recap. I just wanna do a um, real quick recap of what my week was. Um, was not spectacular, but I can certainly say it was not a bad week. And I've had these kind of weeks before. Now the market is very volatile, and that is one thing that I've been suffering now because my trades are working, but some of my trades, and we can see later, um, they work, but since the market is very volatile, sometimes I get stopped out and then it ended up working. Um, this is not a catastrophic week. I did lose every day, but I ended up the week minus 4R. You can guys see here minus 4R for my week, right? And it's the first week of the month, so the monthly statistics are the same. I just took five. I just took five trades during the whole week, and it does make sense because my goal here is and we can talk about the goals a little bit later, but the important thing is this. I have numbers in my mind, and we here at the office we have the numbers very clear. um, our week has to be plus 4R week, right, for us to compound the money and make whatever amount of money that we want to make, right? Because trading is not about uh, a quick trade, right? Is trading is not about a quick fix. Trading is not about give me the money now. Trading is all about consistency and patience, right? And I want to show you guys some of my numbers, right? This was my Monday. Monday was tough because I have four trades, two break evens, two losers, right? But I don't know if you guys appreciate this. This is one trade that I got in here. It didn't work at all. Um, but the good part is that I can recognize my mistakes. Now here, I was good with the ADD, right? It was, look, before this blue, massive blue candle shows up, I'm good for my trade, right? This is what happened afterwards. My tick was not in an optimal position, and I can, okay, go back and see. Okay, you made this mistake. This is it's gonna be worth it. You don't make it again, right? That's one example of my trade. Um, we can go Tuesday, just one trade, same thing. This was not a mistake. The entry could have entered here, but either way, it didn't work at all. Now I can see here now ADQD was aligned with me and tick was aligned with me, right? So was a bad trade? It was not, right? Um, I don't know the fact that this is gonna run up, right? This is what I'm seeing. This is what my chart shows, right? Later, this happened. So and remember, guys, it's about uh, fall within the statistics, right? Every single trade is a roll in the dice, a roll on the dice. So we cannot assess what every single trade is going to do. It's just the law of big numbers that carry us, right? Today, this was my trade today. It was very sad. I was stopped out to the tick, and then it went straight to my target. And I want to show here how the ADD was aligned with my approach to the market, and the tick was showing a lot of exhaustion here. All right. So the important thing is not a single trade, right? The important thing is not a single trade. The important thing is this. If you go here to the simulator, and for you guys that don't know what program am I using, I am using H1, right? And it's very versatile. I love H1. So look at this. Over an universe of 1,000 trades and 20 fast forward simulations using Monte Carlo simulations, right? I can make with this account a max of 188,000 and a minimum of $39,000, right? These are all baked in my numbers along every trade that I logged in here, right? So it doesn't show any negative number in the long run. So even though I might have 17 losers in a row, I had 5 already this week. I can have 12 winning trades in a row, right? So this is the important slope that you have to see in your trading, right? If this is like pointing down, there's something that is not going well, right? After that, I just want to show you the power of compounding here, and that is why we just aim for a 4-hour week, right? These are very raw numbers. I aim for 40% of my trades to be winners and 60% to be losers, right? If I average 2.5 R per trade when I win, and I lose 1 R, meaning I keep my my losers in check, at the end of the week I will have plus 4 R. And this was pretty shocking to us because 4 R is very very low number, right? But guess what? If I make 4 R with this account size, right? And this is an account size where I have several funded accounts. This is not real account size. But this is an example of $20,000, right? If by the end of week 1, right, you make 4R, you can grow, right, the account from 21,000 by the end of week 12, which is 3 months, right? The account will be $42,600, $610. So that means that you can double your account, right? Just with 4R. I'm not putting here any 10-hour day, 10-hour week, or I'm just averaging 4 R per week. And I want to show you guys what April was for me. It was here, right? If we go on here, we go, we can do here trade analysis. Now we can do here monthly reports, right? So you can go April, right? Last April, 59 trades for a total of 19R. That's 4R per week. And I had this week where I lost money, right? Not a big deal, right? And the rest of the weeks I was green. So this is one of the important thing about trading. If you get desperate, you can go ahead and blow your account. Be my guest. But is that gonna give you any advantage toward the market? No. It's gonna slow your learning curve. This is something that takes time, and it's something that you need to work on to get better. How? All right. Here, this is my trade. I go here and I see, damn, what happened? This zone didn't work. why it didn't work. All right, and you make the analysis. You can say here, all right, the tick was not in a very exhausted pattern, and then you were trying to go long when this thing was going short, right? And then you adjust, and then you go ahead and you come here and you log your missed trades, and you learn from your missed trades. Okay, this is the perfect setup. Why I didn't take it? What happened? Right? What were you doing? You were distracted. You were doing something else. You can see here how the ADQD and the tick were aligned, and you didn't take it. Okay, what's gonna happen next time? You can choose. Um, from learn from your mistakes. Yeah, you can learn from your mistakes, or just let the mistakes pass by and cost you money, and don't learn anything. So that was my weekly recap. I'll see you guys on Monday, and I do hope next week is better for us. But either way, we're gonna try to trade it the best we can, and the more transparent way that we can. So thank you all, and have a nice weekend.